Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So something big just happened. My very first arcade stick came in just today, and I ordered it last week and it finally came in today. I was waiting and waiting. Bro, I'm excited and it's finally here. I've been wanting an arcade stick, and I know arcade sticks might be on the way out as of late, unless people are using them, but I've wanted an arcade stick since I was like little dude, even littler than I am now. So I had to get one, and finally it came in today. And I thought, I skipped through the tutorials and all that stuff, and I thought, maybe we should record and we should test this thing first together, So going ahead into trading mode, gonna do some moves, and then after a little bit of practice there, we're gonna go to some trials, and you guys are gonna be here with me. So yeah, let's get into it, man. Let's go. I'm ready to learn arcade stick. I've always wanted one. Man, I'm already, if it's how I think it is, it's gonna be a blast. It'll be so much fun. I can't wait to learn this and get good at it. But yeah, the first day starts today, and let's start with going to training, and let's see if we can do some moves. Yes, AS Prince ATI is my name on this account. Stands for Arcade Stick Prince ATI. So I was thinking about maybe going with, FS Prince ATI, because fighting stick or fight stick, but that would be FSP, and that would make me look like a first-person shooter man. That can't happen. So I decided to go ASP. I think it's pretty cool. Okay, so I gotta find the grip. Hold on. What's the start button? Hi. Yeah, we're back. And okay, one, that was probably loud earlier. I'm sorry for that. It was probably too loud, so I reduced the volume. Sorry about that. But two, what I was confused about was like I didn't seem to. Like, I couldn't be able to, like, pause or, like, go to the options screen. And I was wondering what was going on, right? Well, you know how I was talking about, I'll read the instruction manual later? Well, I went to read the instruction manual right after, and, yeah, pretty much told me if it's in this locked mode, you can't do stuff like pause and stuff like that in case you're in a tournament. And, of course, you accidentally pause, you get disqualified and stuff like that. So, yeah, I guess the manual is pretty handy. So now we can pause, do all that stuff. And yeah, to probably mention, I got the Quanba Obsidian, yeah. Quanba Obsidian, yeah. I got the Quanba Obsidian arcade stick. I've heard some pretty good things about it. Really good reviews on their website, so glad to get that one for my very first arcade stick. So yeah, now that we're good, now you guys know what I'm using. Now that I can pause. Alright, let's see, let's go over the moves again. Light punch, kick, medium punch, medium kick, yes. Heavy punch, heavy kick, all punches, all kicks, and then taunts. Alright. Now let's do some moves, do a couple moves. I know usually you might want to use Ryu, maybe Ryu might be a better choice for like the first person you use to practice doing motions and stuff, but Cammy's my number one, so I gotta use him. Alright, let's start with the spiral arrow. Okay. Four tries? Okay. Cool. Oh boy. I still don't even know how to hold this thing. I also need like good form too. That is definitely gonna take some learning, but hey, I'm all for it, man. I'm ready to learn this thing. Alright. Spyro. I'll do that one. Hey. Oh boy. Bruh. Dash forward, please. Okay. Spyro. Hey, times in a row. Let me make her get up and stuff. Have a recovery. No more recovery. And let's turn off stun for now. Okay. Alright, so we got 3 times in a row. Okay, now it's cannon spike. Okay. How much time did that get cannon spike? I don't know. Bruh. Cannon spike. Gotta get 3 times. I'll count that. And yeah! Bro, I am on this thing so jank right now. Let's go dive kicks. Oh, this is gonna suck. Dive kicks are gonna suck. Oh, the dive kicks are gonna be so bad. Holy crap. Bruh. I can't seem to get a dive kick. Wait, let's do it slow. Oh my god. Are you serious? There we are. Holy crap, this is hard. What the, this got difficult low key. Got one. Can we get another? Oh my god. Come on, man. There we are. Yeah. One more. Yeah. We'll take that for now. Let's go for Hooligan. Nice. Hooligan's easy enough. For some reason I'm thinking this is easy. Again. How about this? Yeah. Okay. Hooligan's pretty easy. Might be. Grab. Back grab. What else is there? A beat scale. Beat trigger. Yeah. I'm out of combo. Oh, you all see, you saw me? I did actually pretty fast that time. I got lucky a second. Dang. Can I do it before the timer runs out? Bruh. No! Yeah. Okay. Let's try some little better combos. Alright. Right. More time. Cannon spike, we'll take that though. Okay. Let's try the target combo one. Nice. Nice. There we go. Now let's do a little bit of advanced combo. The target crouching medium or crouching light punch, target combo, spiral into EX dive kick. If I can get this just once, I'll be good. Let's do heavy kick or something. Oh my god. Okay. Go back, please. No! Not back in the corner. Oh my god, this is crazy. Why are you doing something else kind of hot? I don't remember Pat being this far. Oh! Almost got it, guys. Almost got it. No! Yes! Woo! Bruh. Let's fucking go. Didn't even pop up. Let's go. Alright, okay, so that's it for the basic combos and going over the moves and stuff. I guess all we have to do now is super. Perfect, baby. Finish! Love Cammy, bro. Okay, so that should be all for going over a little bit of training stuff. Now let's see if we can do some combo trials. Let's see how long it takes. Now we are here in the trials. And of course, you know, on pad and stuff like that, you can get through these trials flipping easy, bro. But yeah, I can already tell this is gonna be a pain on arcade stick. I could barely even do my bread and butter target combo, corner target combo. So yeah, this is probably gonna take a while. So I thought it'd be pretty fun to stopwatch from start to finish how long it takes, starting from as soon as I click the first trial. All right, you guys are gonna see how long this takes me. 3, 2, 1, let's go. And of course, it'll probably be edited and stuff. Also, I hope you like the modded Cammy theme, it's really good. But of course, it's probably gonna be edited and stuff, so you won't see the full time. I don't know if you guys want to see me struggling doing combos and trial combos for no hour, but yeah, let's just see. That'll be fun to see how long this takes. And well, let's get started, guys. Should be pretty fun and also frustrating and hard, but it's arcade stick. It's arcade stick, so I'm ready to suffer. You need to suffer first to prosper. So I guess. So let's go. Let's go. First off, that's sweet. Easy bait. Easy bait. I think I might have found the stance, guys. I think I might have found the position, guys. Oh. Woo! Okay, oh, I'm kind of steamrolling through these, huh? Famous last words, huh? Oh, I got it, huh? Okay, cool. Wow, what the heck's going on here, guys? Glad I'm struggling. I mean, technically, Cammy doesn't have the hardest combos, but okay. I thought I'd still be trash. I'll fire up. Nice, nice. Oh, die pick fudge. Yeah. Close. Oop. Really missed. Oh, still too fast. Ah, it was medium ending. So I get used to where all the buttons are and stuff. This is the one! Ah! Almost. Now this is the one. Now this is the one. Nah, I told you. Told you. Told you. Oh, knee bullet. It's a crouching knee attack fire. Okay. Almost. Woo! Okay. Okay. Oh, super. No! Nope. Oh. Whoa! Hey, that just kind of came out. I didn't mean to do that. I guess something I could do though. I guess something I could do that. Good trial, I guess. Down a little bit. Down a little bit. Okay. Oh, now we got some E-trigger stuff. Oh, sweet. Again. Woo! Come on, man! I'm godlike! What? I'm godlike! Okay, counter hit. Oh no, dive kick. Uh-oh, man, I spoke way too soon. Damn, I spoke way too soon. It's probably gonna take a minute. Hold on. Hold on, guys. This is probably gonna take a while, man. Not a dive kick. Oh no. Oh no, no. I spoke too soon. I spoke way too soon. Oh no. This alone's gonna take me like 30 minutes, bro. Oh no. Oh man, I spoke too soon, man. Oh, oh my god! Oh my god, bruh! I legitimately was not expecting that. Let's go, achievement. Fight money too. Bruh, I wasn't even bluffing when I was saying, oh, this is so hard, bro. That literally was just, I just did it. Man. You know what? I was gonna say, you know, maybe learning through this arcade stick, I'm gonna see the lens of someone you know, starting their journey in fighting games, seeing the struggles they have to go through, and seeing stuff through their eyes, having to learn the commands and stuff, and how hard it could be. Man, did you see that combo, bro? Took like less than 10 tries, bro. I'm gonna be godlike on this thing. But anyways, guys, put aside. That was pretty fun. I'm doing that. I'm already loving this thing. I'm already loving it. The time, including the talking I did in the beginning, talking about arcade stick and all that again, and still, including all that time was 5 minutes and 30 seconds. That's how long it took me. I legitimately wasn't even a bluff. I legit thought that would have taken me a while. And again, I know Cammy isn't the craziest combo character, but man, I still thought that'd be I still thought it'd take a while. But hey, maybe I'm godlike on this thing. I just don't know. Who knows? But anyways, guys, I'll see you next time for a match. We will be definitely doing our first match together. Definitely want you guys to be here with me on that. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed me somewhat struggling. Again, I can't wait. Super excited to learn arcade stick. And yeah, hopefully you guys will be in this journey with me. And yeah, let's say and yeah one more time. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later for the next video. Arcade stick is the best.